Mastering budget-friendly home transformations. Let's be honest for a second. When people hear home transformation, they immediately think expensive, overwhelming, and time-consuming. New furniture, full renovations, big budgets. But here's the good news: you don't need more money. You just need better decisions. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Design SK Studio, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to transform your home on a budget using smart, practical design moves that actually make a difference. Option number 1. Start with high-impact, low-cost changes. If your budget is tight, every dollar needs to work hard. So we always start with changes that give you the biggest visual impact for the least amount of money. First, paint. A fresh coat of paint can completely reset a room. Modern neutrals, warm whites, soft grays, they instantly make a space feel cleaner and newer. Next, lighting. This one is underrated. Simply switching harsh white bulbs to warm light can change the mood of a room overnight. Add a floor lamp, a table lamp, or replace one outdated fixture. Suddenly the space feels intentional. Then, hardware. Cabinet pulls, doorknobs, faucets. These are small details, but they have an outsized impact. Swapping them is one of the fastest ways to upgrade a kitchen or bathroom without renovating. And finally, textiles. Throw pillows, curtains, rugs. These are the secret weapons of budget decor. You can change the entire personality of a room just by changing fabrics. Option number 2. Reimagine what you already own. Before you buy anything new, pause and shop your own home. Move furniture between rooms. That chair you're bored of in the living room might feel perfect in the bedroom. Repurpose items. A ladder becomes a books rack. A stool becomes a bedside table. Instead of replacing old furniture, consider repainting or refinishing it. Most solid pieces just need a refresh, not a replacement. And here's a simple trick. Replacing wallpaper. Hang personal wall art. Option number 3. Learn a few DIY skills. You don't need to be a contractor. You just need to be confident enough to try. Basic carpentry, like basic bookshelves, floating shelves or simple frames, opens up storage and styling options. Painting techniques like color blocking or stenciling can add character without buying anything fancy. Simple upholstery, like recovering dining chairs, can completely revive tired furniture. And let's talk about peel and stick products. Tiles, wallpaper, backsplashes. These are budget game changers. Low commitment, high reward. Once you learn a few skills, your budget suddenly goes much further. Option number 4. Add life with plants. If a space feels flat or unfinished, it usually needs life. Plants are one of the most affordable ways to make a home feel warm, layered, and intentional. Stick with low-maintenance options, pothos, snake plants, ZZ plants. They're forgiving. You can even propagate cuttings and grow your collection for free. And don't worry about fancy pots. Thrifted containers often add more character than brand new ones. Option number 5. Declutter and curate. Here's something people don't like to hear. Sometimes the best transformation is removing things not adding them. Declutter surfaces. Remove items that no longer serve the space. Create breathing room. Minimalism is free, and it instantly makes a home feel more spacious. When you do style, do it intentionally. Use odd numbers, vary heights, and keep a cohesive color palette. Less visual noise is equal to more impact. Option number 6. Thrift, upcycle, and hunt for deals. Budget transformations thrive on creativity. Thrift stores, flea markets, Facebook Marketplace. These are treasure hunts, not compromises. Look for solid wood furniture. Even if it looks rough, it's usually worth refinishing. And remember this rule. Mix high and low. One statement piece paired with budget accessories looks far more intentional than everything matching and expensive. Option number 7. Plan before you spend. Impulse buys are the fastest way to waste money. Before you spend anything, create a mood board. Pinterest, Canva, or even a folder of screenshots works. Set a clear budget per room. Then ask one simple question. What will make the biggest difference right now? Spend there first. Option number 8. Focus on one room at a time. This is where most people go wrong. Trying to redo the entire house at once leads to scattered spending and half-finished results. Instead, focus on one room. Finish it. Enjoy it. Learn from it. That sense of completion is motivating, and it keeps your budget under control. Now, here is a summary of what we have discussed. Budget-friendly home transformation isn't about doing less. It's about doing smarter. Small decisions, made intentionally, add up to a home that feels thoughtful, comfortable, and truly yours. And that's the goal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Design SK Studio is the channel where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Thank you.